precipitation reactions, and the acid-base reactions. A precipitation reaction occurs when dissolved substances react and form a solid product. When one mixes ions that form compounds that are soluble, as could be protected by the solubility guidelines, a precipitate is formed. In this reaction, the quotient of two ionic compounds which place to form two new compounds of one of the product is soluble in the water, it will be precipitate out of the solution. For the example, the reaction between the silver nitrate and the sodium chloride. Acid-base reaction. A reaction between an acidic and a base is called neutralization. An acidic-base mixture is not an acidic or basic as the individual starting solution. When mixed together, acidic and basic solutions produce a more neutral solution. In this reaction, hydrochloric acid is an acid that donates the hydrogen ion, while the magnesium hydroxide is the base that accepts the hydrogen ion. The resulting product are the magnesium chloride, which is a salt and water.
Oxidation reduction reaction. An oxidation reduction reaction is a type of chemical reaction that involves a transfer of electrons between two species. An oxidation reduction reaction is any chemical reaction in which the oxidation number of molecule, atom, or ion change by gaining or losing an electron. Ang oxidation reduction reaction ay isang uri ng chemical na reaksyon na involved ng paglipat ng mga electron sa pagitan ng dalawang uri. Ang reaksyong pagbabawas ng oxidation ay anumang reaksyong chemical kung saan nagbabago ang numero ng oxidation ng isang molecule. Some fruits, including apple, turn brown when you cut them. What do you think is happening on the surface of the fruit that causes it to turn brown? Ang sagot dyan, oxygen in air reacts with chemical on the surface of the cut fruit. So the oxygen oxidizes the chemicals in the fruit causing redox reaction and therefore the color change. Ibig sabihin, may chemistry concept na behind sa pagkain natin ng apple.
Chemical analysis, gravimetric method, iteration and volumetric method experiment. Chemical analysis is the process of identifying a substance in a sample. There are two types of chemical analysis. Qualitative chemical analysis, the identification of the presence of the substance in a sample. Quantitative chemical analysis, the determine amount of a substance in a sample. Given below are the example of fields in which chemical analysis is used and some of its uses that you might encounter. Example, environment science, monitor air pollution, checking for sewage contamination, and whether portable water is safe for drink. Medicine diagnosis and disease, quality control, check medicines and drug for checking for the presence of allergens and toxins, estimating nutritional content on different food products. Titration is an experiment where a volume of a solution of no concentration is added to a volume of another solution in order to determine its concentration. Many titration are acid-base, not neutralization reaction. Third order types of titration can also be performed. Gravimetric method is the most widely used technique to measure the pm suspended in air. It includes all analytical method in which the analytical signal is a measurement of mass or a change in mass. Example, measuring the solid suspended in the water sample. Once a no volume of water is filtered, the collected solid are weighed